Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into your BMO Harris online banking account via mobile device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your BMO Harris digital banking account from your mobile device, first make sure to open up a web browser and also make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi or a cellular data. In the search box where it says search or enter website name, type in www.bmoharris.com. After you fill it in, tap on Go. Once you do that, you'll end up in the official website of BMO Harris Bank. Click on the Sign In button at the top right-hand corner and select one of your login type you'd like to log in with. Select your account type and tap on BMO Digital Banking option. You'll be taken to a login area where you can enter your credentials for your digital banking account and access your online banking account right away from your mobile device. In the first text box, you'll need to type in your user ID. Enter your user ID in the first text box that is associated with your online banking account for BMO Harris. If you don't remember your user ID, you can tap on this Forgot User ID link beneath the user ID box. After typing in the correct user ID, head over to the next field and type in the password that you created for your online banking account in the password text box. Similarly, if you don't remember your password, you can get help by tapping on the Forgot Password link as well and follow the instructions in order to reset to a new password. If you'd like to be stayed signed in this particular device with your BMO Harris online banking account, tap on the Remember Me toggle. But if you are using a public or a shared device, make sure that the button is disabled. Finally, after filling in your user ID and your password, tap the Sign In button and wait for a few seconds. You'll be able to log into your BMO Harris online banking account right away with your mobile device. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.